up YouTube? It's your boy King of Visuals back with another video. In today's video guys, I wanted to talk to you about my video editing / gaming setup. More specifically, what specs am I rocking into my gaming PC? Maybe some of you are interested to know if you want to invest in a desktop for video editing. I'm gonna let you know what I have especially in my computer, so let's check it out. Anyways, here we are inside. This is actually my room. Not actually that big, but here we are on the downside of my computer. Let's bring the light down so you can see a little bit better. I think this should be all right. Let's boot it up. Let's remove the side panels so that I can show you guys a little bit more close up what I'm rocking. Here you go. Takes a little bit of time and effort to just remove this side panel, because this side panel for me is with screws, like turnaround screws, as you can see. And that's my custom light setup that is taking some time to load in. All right, here we are. Let me just remove my phone from my phone holder so it's a little bit easier for me to actually show you guys how this all is rocking. So here we are. I'm laid down. So this one is my GPU, which is a 3060 Ti from Gigabyte. As you can see it right here, it's a little bit dark. This is a series. I'm rocking 16 gigabytes of RAM, so those are each sticks of 8 gig from Gigabyte 2. This is more their line of AOS Gigabyte. I don't know if you can see it when I zoom a little bit on the ticket right here. Yeah, it's taken a little bit of time to actually focus. My CPU is an i5 10600K with a base clock speed of 4.1 gigahertz. Now for the cooler, this one is from Cooler Master. It's their 240 millimeters with 2 fans on. As you can see, these are the Halo fans. I have a front intake, I have base fans, and I have up fans. As you can see, my motherboard is an Asus B540 Plus Wi-Fi. Here, as you can see, this is my Wi-Fi antenna that is connected to my motherboard. This is a huge mess, as huge mess as cables. Alright, I activated my flash because this is a little bit easier to show you guys. We have a little bit of a better view about my PC, as you can see. Now, it's a little bit dusty, so don't mind me that. I'm sorry for the dirtiness that's in this PC. I really need to get a blow dryer to really push all the dust out of this one, because it's actually sitting on a mat, so it's kind of getting fast with it kind of gets very fast dusty, so it really needs a thorough and deep cleanup. This is, as you can see, the front panel. You can see all this dust right here. Yeah, it really needs a cleanup. Man, this is dirty. Oh my god, this is my cable management. I don't know if it's not the best one, but hey, we are trying to rock. We are trying to rock with whatever. Now, this is actually my gaming PC. This is actually what's in it for my gaming PC and my / video editing PC. I find it gets the job done very much good. This is the build that I have right now for gaming. I'm actually running, this monitor that I have is a Samsung one. It's the Samsung 27 Space Inch monitor, which is a 1440p monitor 1440p, which means on the long side it's 2560 and on the short side it's 1440p, so a 2K monitor if you can tell it like this. So in games I pretty much get between, on 2K resolution, I pretty much get between, like for Call of Duty, I get around 110 and 120 FPS with, you know, full render resolution and playing on mid to low settings, which is pretty good. I don't have really the need to play on high settings. Let me just bring this phone holder. Let me bring it back on. Here you go. Let me face the camera to my face. Here you go. Now this is the thing. I also have my audio set up right here. So as you can see, my current build is pretty adapted for 2K gaming. Depends if you want a high settings. I would rather recommend a 3070 or a 3070 Ti. But you also have to take into consideration the bottleneck, because my CPU is a 6-core i5. Now, if you would like to really get the best out of, like for example, a 3060 Ti, I would recommend to go with an i7, so you eliminate completely the bottleneck and you get the most out of the GPU. Like for example, for me personal, there are games where I experience in laggy FPS, like in Destiny 2 or in what games do I play other than Call of Duty and Destiny? I have plenty of games, man, but those are the main games that I play. And honestly, in Call of Duty, it's not so often that I experience game lag, but in Destiny, sometimes in different areas, depends on what style you are playing, what activity you are doing. Sometimes it can, the FPS can drop really fast. But hey, yes, this was it for the video, for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys find my build a really cool build. I'm certainly going to make other reviews about the things that I use on my setup. I'm also, if you have suggestions about what I could maybe upgrade in my setup, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always down to help. If you guys want me to review a certain product about, you know, photography or gaming PC or something related, let me know in the comments down below. I'm trying to grow more into that niche of tech reviewing, just something that I'm passionate about. So we are going to try to go into that direction with this YouTube, and still keeping the focus on you know, photo and video editing tips, but not solely, you know, only Photoshop tips, Lightroom tips, or Premiere Pro tips. But I just want to also review helpful gadgets and stuff like this, because personally, I'm a gadget man. All my friends tell me that I'm a real gadget man. I like to have stuff. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.